Remember the wolf pick? I'm going to go all the way down here, but I have to convince him to move. 1, 2, 3, and then I can either drive it in this way, pick up, or I can finish it 1, 2, 3, 2 through here, pick up. Okay? The key is to get below the knee. Okay? If I can get all the way down here, it's better. These are big. Hard to grab. So, you have two options. You can try both. 1, 2, 3. And then use the forearm. Charge in. Not like this. Straight. Boom. Lift. Outside. And you're going to push and pull. And keep walking forward. Okay? Or, you can just go, you're going to finish with this hand. So I don't care what ones you do. Finish with this, step forward. Grab. See this hand is still here, pushing? Boom. Keep pushing. Lift up.